So I shared with a few friends in the networking event today that I was trading a little bit a couple of years ago, but then I stopped for like 2 years, stock and coins at the same time. But recently, I just find my interest in give it another try for blockchain again. And I have a few friends who do in the area, in the industry. That's why I came today. With NFT, I find it's a new way of doing art, and I like how the combination between art and blockchain together, and that I love the idea of it, and I would love to be involved more in this area a little bit more and see what happens for my own investment, but also for the possibility of artists who get to express themselves and be involved in this blockchain business and make the beautiful combination out of it.
So I have known about SUI ecosystem for a long time, maybe 2 years ago, because the ecosystem is really huge and big, and then everyone is talking about it in our community, and I think that is like a big potential to grow outside of like the Southeast Asia and APAC market.
Yeah, I know about from my connection. My friend just told me because I am an artist and I am doing a gaming.
You are building also in Sui?
Yeah,
Oh, you are a Sui builder.
yeah,
Ah,
also.
nice.
But I am doing a GameFi.
GameFi.
Yeah.
If you like doing GameFi, we have like one events next week. You can join.
Next week.
Yeah, on the 20.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.